ekyo. Okay. So 8 feet deep. As you can see, the man is inside the pit. You see this? And this is going to be the column, the base for one column. See that? It's quite deep. Actually, you might think it is a shallow pit latrine or a septic tank. It's quite deep. So the human power, like we mentioned, is perfecting the corner edges to make sure that when we put the base, it sits in exactly where it's supposed to be. Okay. And ngoyimiridde gwe sebo. Ngoyimiridde. Jangu totyayimirira. Ngoyimiridde. Olina okuba nga nawe oli active sikyo oba tukugyawo ku site. Tonatuuka kola. So now the truck is working on the second pit. As you can see. We're looking for the same depth, sikyo? The same depth like the other one, right? Okay. See this angle. As you can see, the man is almost, my God, almost halfway. That's good. This is at the construction site of the Dorchester condos. Ntinda Chiwatule. Sebo, oteredde bulungi awo Togwe. Togwe. Wabimanyiira weekakasa n'ebyokugwa wabimanyi asa insurance weeri ojja kuba bulungi. The trucks are here, they are in line, they are waiting, everything is working fine, we're proceeding well. That's good, that's very, very good. Excellent, very excellent.